Welcome back to Turbo Rider, the new Breakout 117. Introducing the 2025 Harley-Davidson Breakout 117, a bold and powerful cruiser designed for riders who want style, speed, and a strong road presence. Engine and performance. At the core of this beast is the Milwaukee-Eight 117 V-twin engine. It's a massive 1923 cubic centimeters power plant, producing around 105 horsepower and a strong 168 Newton-meters of torque. This means quick acceleration, smooth performance, and that iconic Harley roar. Transmission and ride quality. The bike features a 6-speed transmission with responsive gear shifting. Up front, it comes with 49mm telescopic forks, and at the rear, a monoshock suspension setup. With dual ABS braking, the Breakout delivers confident and controlled stopping power. Signature design. One of its most eye-catching features is its stretched cruiser look. It rides on a 21-inch front wheel and a huge 240mm rear tire, giving it that powerful, custom-inspired Harley stance. Features and technology. The 2025 model offers full LED lighting, a modern LCD information display, a 4.9-gallon fuel tank, and a built-in USB charging port. It comes in stunning colors like vivid black, billiard gray, atlas silver, and blue burst. Comfort and dimensions. With a low 665mm seat height and a solid weight of around 310 kilograms, the Breakout feels both comfortable and planted on the road. Mileage and pricing. You can expect a fuel economy of around 15 to 18 kilometers per liter, depending on your riding style. In the US, the price starts at about $22,500, while in Pakistan, the imported cost ranges between 85 to 95 lakh rupees. Final verdict. Overall, the 2025 Harley-Davidson Breakout 117 is a powerful combination of performance, style, and presence, a true head-turner for riders who want to stand out.